what happens after I get arrested for DUI or DWI?
Well, when you've been just arrested for DWI, the only thing that has great urgency is if you've been arrested and you either refuse to blow on the breathalyzer or refuse to give blood sample, whatever they ask you to do, or you submitted to a breath sample and you blew a .08 or more. Because what happens then is you get your license revoked for an immediate 30-day revocation. And there is a way, if you get to me soon enough, that I can file a motion and get in front of the judge and actually have that 30-day revocation rescinded and have it wiped off your record like it never happened, and have you get your license back immediately, driving without limitation, just as if it hadn't happened. And once the dust settles from that whole thing, then you can address the other ways to deal with your problem. But those are the things that are important, especially if you have a commercial driver's license. If you have a commercial driver's license and you suffer a 30-day civil revocation, you're going to lose your CDL. You're going to be disqualified, is how they say it, for a year, even if you ultimately win the DWI. You because of that initial 30-day revocation, where you haven't had a hearing, you haven't had any chance to defend yourself, but you have to act within 10 days or you will lose that opportunity.
So basically, if you do get arrested for it, call an attorney immediately.
Immediately, because it has the window to save your license is within the first 10 days.
Got it. And that's specifically if you refuse a breathalyzer test or blow above a .08.
Right. When you go in front of the magistrate will give you a pile of papers when you leave. But one of those is a revocation order. So you need to look at that, because it'll say you're revoked, and they will have kept your license until you're revoked for 30 days. Now, if you let the 10 days pass, there's still things we can do to get you back driving with a limited driving privilege for the remainder of that 30-day period. Or if it's been more than 30 days, you need to go get your license back from the clerk. There are things we can do. If you've waited too long and you're past the 10 days, don't say, well, I give up. There's still things we can do to help.
Got it. So get you within 10 days so you can rescind. And if you don't get that revoking of your license rescinded, then there's still other things you can do to get your license, in essence. Thank you very much, Alan. Very helpful.